just announced its latest AR glasses with the new Oakley Meta HSTN. The glasses offer a few upgrades over the Ray-Ban Meta with the ability to record 3K resolution now instead of the original 1080p. It is mainly targeted at athletes and it has a longer battery life of around 8 hours. You get 5 built-in mics for voice pickup and Bluetooth speakers for immersive audio experience. These glasses can be used entirely hands-free with Meta AI Assistant. You can also start and end video recording, play music, call and message contacts, and ask general questions. There's an integrated LED on the right corner so that people will know that you're recording. The right temple features a touchpad for controls and physical capture button on top. Oakley offers IPX4 water resistance for it. You get double the battery life of the Ray-Ban model. The bundle charging case extends the endurance up to 48 hours. Meta shared that a recharge of 50% will take only 20 minutes. You need to use the Meta AI iOS or Android app, which is your one-stop shop for managing your settings, photos, and videos. It comes in a warm gray, black, brown smoke, and clear options. You get 5 lens combination, all of which are compatible with prescription lenses. You can pre-order them starting July 11th for $499. Meta is also expanding the lineup with more Oakley smart glasses that will retail for around $399.